Hi, I am Vidya Srinivasan. At Search On, we showed the ways Google Search is empowering people by connecting them to the information they need when they need it. Today, I'll share a few of the latest advances we are making to enable a search experience that better reflects how people experience the world around them. Search is transforming, becoming far more natural and intuitive, enabling people to search anyway and anywhere. For example, with multi-search, people can now search using a combination of text and images, and we are extending this more intuitive experience to more people in their preferred language. Sometimes, people know exactly what they're looking for. Other times, they might want a little inspiration because shopping is about much more than just buying. When someone types shop, followed by whatever item they're looking for, they'll unlock a content stream of ideas that feels just like window shopping online. And a more intuitive search experience means a more intuitive search ads experience. My teams are building this future for ads one step at a time each day. Let's take the shopping example again. When shoppers are looking for products nearby, they can scroll through visual results that now display bolder product images, a truly browsable experience. Ad experiences are also becoming more responsive than ever. If a search needs to be a conversation, it can be. Your customers will be able to have meaningful conversations with your business directly from your ads. And with our recent rollout of landscape image assets to the mobile results page, you will have more flexibility in how and where your images appear. Now, all of these advances and a whole new era of marketing are made possible by automation. By forming this partnership with automation, your marketing team can drive business results, not just marketing results. It scales your team's expertise. Marketers set the goals and strategy, and automation helps you stay on top of your consumer needs and trends as they happen in real time. Now, here are 3 steps you can take today to ensure your business keeps pace. First, create intuitive experiences. World-class creative drives performance. Partner with your design teams and invest in visually rich creative. Then bring them to life using image assets in Google Ads. Second, uncover new opportunities. Broad Match unlocks new opportunities across searches you might be undervaluing today. Review your recommendations page for keyword ideas that you may not have expected or thought about before. And finally, optimize for ROI. Sharing the relative value of your conversions enables value-based bidding to find your most valuable customers in a given moment. We'll bid more for them because they're worth that much more to your business. This aligns your media dollars more directly with your marketing objectives. We are thrilled about the new possibilities available to marketers, and we are going to be right there with you as you unlock the next wave of growth.